Today we will start the new chapter, that is constitutional design. So the first topic is democratic constitution in South Africa. I have fought against white domination and I have fought against black domination. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve. But if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. So this is a statement given by whom? The famous personality Nelson Mandela. This was Nelson Mandela being tried for treason by the white South African government. So this is a statement given by the Nelson Mandela because of treason. Treason means the crime of betraying one's country, especially by attempting to kill or overthrow the sovereign or government. So he was being charged by the white South African government that he was trying to destroy the name of their country, that is South Africa. He and 7 other leaders were sentenced to life imprisoned in 1964 for daring to oppose the apartheid regime in his country. So he along with his 7 other leaders were given punishment. That means they will be in the jail for the duration till they are alive in the 1964. And what was the reason? For the opposing apartheid reason in the country. Apartheid means distinguish on the basis of racial discrimination, that means on the basis of skin color. He spent next 28 years in South Africa's most dreaded prison, Robben Island. So he spent his 28 years in South Africa's most prison known as Robben Island. Next is struggle against apartheid. Apartheid was the name of a system of racial discrimination unique to South Africa. The white European imposed this system on South Africa. So what do you mean by apartheid? Apartheid is a system in which the people are distinguished or differentiated on the basis of skin color. That means the white community of the South Africa were trying to dominate the black community in the South Africa. During the 17th and 18th century, the trading companies from Europe occupied it with arms and force in the way they occupied India. So during the 7th and 8th century, the trading companies from the European, trading companies means the companies who are doing business on a large scale, they occupied the huge amount of areas in the Europe with the arms and force. But unlike India, a large number of whites had settled in South Africa and became the local rulers. So just like in India, a large number of white people, that means the Britishers, they have settled in India. Similarly, in the South Africa also, white people, they have settled and become the local rulers. The system of apartheid divided the people and leveled them on the basis of their skin color. So this system of apartheid divide the people and level them on the basis of skin color. That means there are 2 categories. One is white people and the other is black people. The native people of South Africa are black in color. So the person who belong to the South Africa region, they are black in color. They made up about 3/4 of the population and were called blacks. So in the South Africa, the population of the black people were 3/4 of the population and they were referred as blacks. Beside these 2 groups, there were people of mixed races who were called colored and people who migrated from India. So the person who have migrated from India, they were called mixed races and the term was colored. They were colored. That means they are neither black neither white. The white rulers treated all non-whites as inferior. So the whiter section of the society in the South Africa, they try to dominate the other non-white people. The non-whites did not have voting rights. So only the white people in the South Africa have the voting rights, and the non-whites people, that means the black and the colored people, they do not have voting rights. The apartheid system was particularly oppressive for the blacks. So the apartheid system was trying to dominate the black section of the society in the South Africa. They were forbidden from living in white areas. So there was a separate areas for the white people and the black people, and they were not allowed to enter in the white people areas. They could work in white areas only if they had a permit. So if they have permission from the white people, then only they can work in the white people areas. Trains, buses, taxis, hotels, hospitals, schools, and colleges, libraries, cinema hall, theaters, beaches, swimming pools, public toilets were all separate from for the whites and black. This was called segregation. So all these different types of buildings were different for both the black people and the white people. So the black people were not allowed to enter in the white people area. Okay, and these process is known as segregation. They could not even visit the churches where the white worshipped, so that their churches were also different, and the white people churches in the white people churches black people were not allowed to worship. Blacks could not form association or protest against the terrible treatment. So whatever these apartheid system was practiced in the South Africa, they cannot protest. If they protest, they will be punished. Since 1950, the blacks, colored, and Indians fought against the apartheid system. So, since 1950, the black people, the colored people, and the Indian people who were living in the South Africa, they fought against the apartheid system in the South Africa. They launched protest marches and strikes. So, in order to protest against the white people, they launched marches and strikes. The African National Congress, that is ANC, remember the full form, was the umbrella organization that lead the struggle against the policies of segregation. So this was the important organization through which they can make different types of rules and regulation and finally abolish the segregation. This included many workers union and the Communist Party. So all the black people community, workers union and Communist Party joined the African National Congress. Many sensitive whites also joined the ANC to oppose apartheid and play a leading role in this struggle. So some of the white people who understand what this apartheid system was doing and how they are exploiting the black section of the society, even they joined the ANC so that they can oppose the apartheid system and played an important role in the struggle. Several countries denounced apartheid as unjust and racist, but the white racist government continued to rule by detaining, torturing, killing thousands of black and colored people. So though there in many countries they finally abolished the apartheid from their country, but in the South Africa white people were trying to dominate the black people, and they were even torturing them, killing them, and they were trying to humiliate the black section of the society in the South Africa.